Namaste everyone, welcome to Hamsa Yoga Center. In this video today you are going to learn Moong Dal soup for weight loss. This soup is not only for weight loss if you have any issues regarding to the indigestion, bloating and constipation as well. In this soup you will find rich in protein and nutrients. It is enriched with minerals like iron, potassium and magnesium as well. And lastly, it produces numerous energy to the body. Without any further delay, let's get started with the recipe. The ingredients for the soup: 1 cup of moong dal, black pepper, jeera. I am using a fresh coriander leaves from my garden, dry ginger and 1 medium size of carrot. So these are all ingredients for the soup. In the bowl, I am adding 1 cup of moong dal. Add some of the water and wash about 2 or 3 times. Wash it neat and clean. Now it's ready. Into the pressure cooker, I am adding washed moong dal. Same measurement of 2 cups of water. Moong dal is very good for bad cholesterol, blood pressure and blood sugar as well. Good for digestive health as well. For this, I am adding half spoon of turmeric powder. Now cover the lid and pressure the cooker for about. Turn on the gas. Pressure it about 4 whistles. Now open the lid. The cooker is completely cooled down. If you have a very thick moong dal, you can blend it with the blender machine or stick as well. For this, I am adding 1 cup of water. Mix it very well. Again, after mixing well, add another cup of water to the moong dal. Turn on the gas. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half spoon of cumin powder. If you want, you can add it jeera as well. It's good for digestion as well. I am adding here half spoon of dry ginger powder. After adding all this powder, give it a good mix. When it starts boiling, after 5 minutes, add salt for the taste. After 3 to 2 minutes after the salt, just add grated carrot to the moong dal. Give it a good mix for the moong dal. When it starts boiling, just switch off the stove. After 1 or 2 minutes, just add 1½ spoon of ghee. After adding this ghee, give it a good mix and the dal soup is ready. And lastly, just serve it in the bowl. Just enjoy the soup with sprinkling the coriander leaves and carrot. Now the soup is ready to eat and enjoy the soup. Enjoy the delicious and healthy soup. Thanks for watching this video and give it a try in your daily life.